Welcome to the PharmaVOICE Editor's Take video series, filmed live at the 2011 DIA Annual Meeting in Chicago. Hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of PharmaVOICE. In this session, Taryn meets with Mark Wheeldon, CEO of Formedix.
Mark, please tell our audience how Origin Enterprise, the newly released collaborative version of your flagship Origin Study Modeler software, can build upon the standalone version to help save time and money in clinical trials.
Well, as you know, the standalone version has already been proven to reduce study setup time by about 68%. By automating specifications, we can auto-generate annotated CRFs, STTM, and database annotated CRFs, tabular specs, and all manner of specification documents required to set up a study. We had huge success with that product, but it was a standalone version and you couldn't share your designs. The product predominantly was always used for libraries, study specification, and study build. We needed a way of collaborating. Pharma companies are doing more work with external CROs as partnerships between pharma companies. We needed a way of sharing that metadata to extend and build upon the savings that we had with the standalone. So we're excited to launch things like collaborative review, where you can share designs with external CROs. You can basically handle and control your CRO and the relationship with your CRO to make sure that the specs are exactly what you expect them to deliver. We also host it to make it very easy to deploy. We've got loads of fancy things with respects to librarying, versioning, making sure that the current study matches the version you've got. You can build huge libraries of repositories and make sure that standards comply with your global standards repositories. All in all, great features that just build upon an already very successful product.
Please discuss the importance of integrating CDISC into the drug development process.
CDISC was commonly seen as a thing that the FDA really required for submissions of data. That's a great thing, but what comes with CDISC is an optimization of your whole end-to-end process. Using CDISC up front means you can reuse content. It means that conversions are easier, quicker, faster. It means that when you're talking to a CRO, they know what you're talking about, they know the data sets that they've got to deliver, and you can automate what they bring back and what they give you. CDISC up front saves both in study specification, in automating EDC builds, and in publishing regulatory documents such as define.pdf, annotated CRFs. In many tools like our tools, you do the work once within a library and you execute multiple times over multiple studies. It's a highly efficient way of both working with CROs and working with studies and reusing content going forward. CDISC is all about the savings you can make up front, not just about requiring to do STTM data sets. It's all about every bit of your clinical trials process, from study setup through execution, through submission, and on to regulatory documentation, can all gain from CDISC metadata and data.
Additional Editors Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.